Welcome to the Certified Business Analysis Professional, or CBAP, exam preparation course. Your pathway to mastering advanced business analysis skills and achieving one of the most respected certifications in the industry. In this course, you'll gain the tools, strategies, and knowledge needed to excel in the CBAP exam, while strengthening your ability to deliver impactful business solutions. Whether you're an experienced analyst aiming to validate your expertise or a professional seeking to elevate your career, this training is designed to guide you every step of the way towards certification success. Copyright. This slide outlines the copyright and proprietary information for this document. The materials in this document are the intellectual property of PM Training School and are fully protected by copyright laws. Any use or reproduction, whether in part or in full, is strictly prohibited without obtaining prior written consent from PM Training School. For any queries or permissions, you can reach out to us through the following channels. Phone +64 211036356 website www.pmtrainingschool.com. Email support@pimtrainingschool.com. Please remember that this document is intended solely for authorized use. Sharing or disclosing the content without explicit approval is not permitted. By adhering to these guidelines, we ensure the integrity and professionalism of our materials. Thank you for respecting these terms as you proceed with the training. Welcome to PM Training School. Before we dive deeper into your Certified Business Analysis Professional exam prep, let's take a moment to show you who's supporting your learning journey. PM Training School isn't just another course provider. We're a globally recognized corporate training school and an authorized partner for exam delivery. That means we're officially trusted by the same bodies that issue the certifications you're aiming for, including PMI, IIBA, Scrum.org, the Open Group, and Scaled Agile. And when it's time to take your exam, you're in good hands. We're an authorized test center for Pearson VUE, Prometric, ETS, Criterion PSI, Language Cert, and even IELTS, giving you access to a wide range of globally recognized certifications, all under one roof. For certified business analysis professional candidates like you, this means two things. You're learning from a provider who truly understands certification standards. You're backed by an ecosystem built for your success, from prep to test day. Keep this in mind as we move forward, because being confident in your training provider is the first step toward being confident in your exam. Let's get started with the BABOK framework. Let's start our training with an introduction to Certified Business Analysis Professional certification. The Certified Business Analysis Professional, or CBAP, is recognized globally as the premier certification for experienced business analysis professionals. It is a testament to your expertise, leadership, and commitment to excellence in the field. Earning a CBAP can have a powerful impact on your career. It often leads to a significant salary increase, greater opportunities for advancement, and global recognition that opens doors across industries. This certification offers an excellent return on investment, boosting your employability and ensuring you're job-ready in a competitive marketplace. With CBAP, you're not just certified, you're distinguished as a leader in business analysis. 9 Steps to CBAP Certification Intro. Welcome to the 9 Steps to CBAP Certification, your roadmap to becoming a certified business analysis professional. Step 1. Fulfill eligibility requirements. First, ensure you meet all eligibility requirements. 35 hours of professional development, 7,500 hours of BA work experience over the last 10 years, and 2 professional references. Step 2. Purchase the CBAP application log into your IIBA account, select the CBAP certification, and purchase the application to start your official process. Step 3. Enter eligibility details into the BA development log. Record your professional development hours and work experience in IIBA's BA development log to track your progress. Step 4. Submit application and agree to attestations. Complete your application, agree to the Code of Ethical Conduct, and submit it for review. If selected for audit, provide supporting documents and reference confirmations. Step 5. purchase the exam. Once approved, purchase your CBAP exam. Remember, your application and exam booking have time limits. Step 6. Study and prepare for the exam. Use the BABOK guide, endorsed training programs, and study groups to prepare. Understand the exam format and blueprint. Step 7. Review rules and system requirements. Ensure you meet all technical, identification, and environment requirements for your chosen test method, online or in person. Step 8. Schedule your exam book. Your exam date and time through the PSI platform. Rescheduling or cancellation must be done at least 48 hours in advance. Step 9. Get certified. On exam day, check in early, follow all procedures, and complete your test. Your pass or fail result will appear immediately, with official confirmation by email within 48 hours. Closing congratulations. You're now a certified business analysis professional and part of a global community of BA leaders. Step 1 is all about confirming your eligibility to apply for the CBAP certification. You must complete 35 hours of professional development within the last 4 years, aligned with the BABOK knowledge areas. Training must be delivered by a facilitator or moderator, include measurable objectives, and offer opportunities for interaction and assessment. You also need 7,500 hours of business analysis work experience within the past 10 years, with at least 900 hours in 4 of the 6 knowledge areas, for a minimum of 3,600 hours total. In addition, you'll provide 2 professional references who have known you for at least 6 months. These can be credentialed business analysts, career managers, or clients, and they must provide a work email address. If you don't yet meet these requirements, consider pursuing the Certified Business Analysis Professional or CCBA as alternative certifications. Step 2. CBAP application. Step 2 focuses on purchasing and initiating your CBAP application. Begin by logging into your IIBA account or creating one if necessary. From your profile, navigate to the certification menu, select My Certifications, choose CBAP, and click Get Started. An application fee is required to open your application and track your eligibility progress. Remember, this fee is non-refundable and non-transferable, and your application will expire after 12 months. Once approved, you may take the exam up to 3 times within 6 months, with an additional cost for each attempt. If your application lapses, you'll need to repay the fee, re-verify that you meet the requirements, and pay the exam fee again. Step 3. Enter eligibility details in BA Development Log. In Step 3, you'll record all your eligibility details into IIBA's BA Development Log. Start by using the CBAP step-by-step application process guide for detailed instructions. Log into your IIBA profile and access the BA Development Log. Enter your 35 hours of professional development that align with BABOK knowledge areas. Then, record your 7,500 hours of business analysis work experience, ensuring at least 900 hours are in 4 of the 6 knowledge areas. Keep your entries accurate and updated until your application is complete. This log is the foundation of your CBAP application review. Step 4. Submit application and agree to attestations. Step 4 is about formally submitting your CBAP application and committing to professional standards. Begin by reviewing your eligibility details for completeness and accuracy. Log in with your IIBA credentials, go to the certification menu, select My Certifications, choose CBAP, and click Get Started. You'll be asked to agree to key attestations, including the Code of Ethical Conduct and Professional Standards, the IIBA, Certification and Recertification Terms and Conditions, and the CBAP Certification Handbook. If your application is selected for an audit, you'll need to submit your professional development documents and have your references contacted for validation. Once approved, you'll receive an official email confirming the next step. Step 5. Purchase the exam. Step 5 moves you closer to certification by officially purchasing your CBAP exam. Log into your IIBA profile, navigate to the certification menu, select My Certifications, choose CBAP, Agree to the special terms and conditions and click Get Started. Remember, the exam fee is separate from your application fee and is non-transferable, with refunds available only within 30 days of purchase. You'll have 6 months from payment to take the exam, provided your application remains active. You can attempt the exam up to 3 times within this period, but each retake requires an additional fee. If your application expires before you take the exam, you'll need to reapply, repay the application fee, and purchase the exam again. Step 6. Study and prepare for the exam. Step 6 is where your preparation turns into focused, strategic study for the CBAP exam. The exam lasts 210 minutes, with 120 multiple choice, case study, and scenario-based questions, and can be taken online or at a PSI test center. It covers 6 knowledge areas, each weighted by importance, with the largest share, 30%, in requirements, analysis, and design definition. Study using the BABOK Guide, the Business Analysis Standard, and the IIBA Knowledge Hub. You can also join endorsed education provider courses, IIBA Training Partner Exam Prep programs, and chapter-led events or study groups. Combine structured courses, self-study, and peer discussions to build both your knowledge and exam confidence. Review rules and system requirements. Step 7 is all about making sure you're fully prepared for exam day, technically and procedurally. You have 2 exam options: online remote proctored or PSI test center. For online proctored exams, you'll need a valid government-issued photo ID, a reliable internet connection, a compatible device with a microphone and camera, and a quiet, clear workspace. Run the system compatibility check and review the IIBA guide to online proctored exams. For PSI test centers, bring a valid photo ID matching your IIBA and PSI records. Arrive 30 minutes early and be prepared for a security wanding inspection. Remember, if you fail to meet these requirements, you will forfeit your exam fee. Step 8. Schedule your exam. Step 8 is where you lock in your exam date and time. Start by logging into your IIBA profile, opening the certification menu, selecting My Certifications greater than CBAP, and following the link to the PSI scheduling page. From there, you can view available tests, choose your preferred date and time, and complete the booking process. For online remote proctored exams, you can upload your photo ID for pre-verification and take the PSI tutorial test up to 3 times to ensure you meet security requirements, practice the room scan, and get familiar with the exam format. Remember, PSI requires 48 hours notice to schedule, reschedule, or cancel. Anything less will result in a forfeited exam fee. Earning your CBAP certification. You have 2 options: online remote proctored exam or PSI test center exam. For online remote proctored, log in via the IIBA portal, never directly to PSI, and launch your exam 30 minutes early. Follow the check-in process, connect with your proctor, and complete the exam. You'll see your pass-fail result immediately, and IIBA will email confirmation within 48 hours. For PSI test centers, arrive 30 minutes early, complete security checks, follow staff guidance, and take the exam. Again, you'll see your result on screen and receive email confirmation within 48 hours. This is where all your preparation pays off. You've officially achieved CBAP status. CBAP badge and certificate. Passing your CBAP exam comes with more than just a credential. It's official recognition of your expertise. Through the IIBA Digital Badge Program, you'll receive a verified badge that you can proudly display online. Your name will also appear in the Certified Professional Directory, giving you global visibility and credibility unless you choose to opt out. From the same portal, you can easily download your certificate or share your badge on LinkedIn, showcasing your achievement to your professional network. IIBA is committed to maintaining the integrity of this certification. They reserve the right to revoke credentials if necessary and to conduct random audits, ensuring that CBAP continues to stand as a trusted mark of excellence. Achieving your CBAP credential is a major milestone, but maintaining it shows your continued dedication to excellence in business analysis. To keep your certification active, you must follow the IIBA recertification program. This means earning and recording at least 60 continuing development units, or CDUs, every 3 years through professional development activities such as training, conferences, and knowledge sharing initiatives. All CDUs are tracked in your BA development log, which serves as the official record for maintaining your certification. By meeting these requirements, you ensure your CBAP remains valid and recognized, reflecting your ongoing growth and professional commitment. The CBAP exam is built around 6 key knowledge areas, each contributing a specific percentage to your final score. Business analysis, planning and monitoring makes up 14%, focusing on defining and overseeing the analysis approach. Elicitation and collaboration accounts for 12%, emphasizing stakeholder engagement and information gathering. Requirements, life cycle management and strategy analysis. Each represent 15%, ensuring you can manage requirements from inception to retirement and align them with strategic goals. The largest portion, at 30%, is requirements analysis and design definition, which tests your ability to transform needs into well-defined solutions. Finally, solution evaluation, at 14%, assesses your capability to measure and optimize solution performance. Mastering each area is essential to success on the CBAP exam. Business analysis, planning, and monitoring, 14%. This domain covers how to plan and monitor business analysis work. It involves determining the approach to analysis, identifying and engaging stakeholders effectively, establishing governance structures to oversee the work, managing information and ensuring requirements are traceable, and identifying opportunities for performance improvements. Mastery in this domain ensures business analysis efforts are organized, aligned, and efficient from start to finish. Elicitation and collaboration, 12%. Here the focus is on gathering requirements effectively. It includes preparing for and executing elicitation sessions, documenting and validating results, and ensuring stakeholders remain engaged through consistent, clear communication. Strong skills in this area enable analysts to uncover precise needs and maintain productive relationships throughout the project lifecycle. Requirements. Lifecycle management, 15%. This area ensures requirements are tracked from inception to delivery. It includes prioritizing requirements, maintaining them throughout the project, managing changes effectively, and assessing the impact of those changes. This domain ensures requirements remain relevant, aligned with business needs, and adaptable to evolving project circumstances. Strategy analysis, 15%. In strategy analysis, analysts define the current state of the business, envision the desired future state, and determine the path to get there. This involves assessing risks, shaping a change strategy, and evaluating potential solutions. Strong competency here ensures the solutions pursued are grounded in a deep understanding of business realities and opportunities. 5. Requirements. Analysis and design definition, 30%. The largest domain of the CBAP exam focuses on turning business needs into actionable solutions. This involves specifying and modeling requirements, verifying and validating them for accuracy and completeness, defining the architecture, and determining solution options that align with business goals. This is where abstract needs are transformed into concrete, implementable plans. 6. Solution evaluation, 14%. Finally, solution evaluation ensures the implemented solution meets expectations. It involves assessing performance against desired outcomes, identifying and managing limitations, and seeking enhancements to increase the solution's overall value to the business. This domain is crucial for ensuring lasting benefits and continuous improvement.